Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm so excited because today I have my granddaughter. Say hi, Memers. I call her Memers, but her name is Amelia, and this is my first granddaughter. Oh yeah, so today we're going to be making some cotton candy. I bought her this cotton candy maker, and I said to my granddaughter and to everyone, you know what, let me do a video on this because this is not only good for holidays. As you can see, the holidays are here. Thanksgiving is almost here. I may look a little bit weird. Let me just get out of here a little bit with my little things, but it's for my granddaughter. Anything for my granddaughter I'll do. So without further ado, this is a cotton candy maker, and I just wanted to let you know I am not sponsored by Five Below, but I just buy there. So this I bought at Five Below for 10 bucks. Can you believe that? $10. And this outfit here was $5 together. That's $20 there, and this was $3. So you could do a lot of things for like $20 or under, maybe even under $30 depending on your budget. So yeah, so without further ado, let's do this. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? So let's turn on, and this is the machine. It's so cool. I put it together this morning. So yeah. And also, before I even start, to get your colorful sugar, wait baby, you could do this and put the sugar inside a Ziploc bag. Put a little dot or 2 or 3 dots on the plastic bag and put in the sugar, your granulated sugar, and then you just mix it around, you know? So yeah, but because I wanted to do something quick because I do have the baby today, I bought in Walmart these colorful granulated sugar, which is for decorating. It says 4 in 1, and you could use it also, okay? And I have 2, I bought 2 of different colors. As you can see, I have the pastel, and then I have the real bright ones. So let's turn on the machine. Yes, Memers? Yeah? You ready? Okay. Woo! It's turning on. Gotta let it go. And then we're gonna go in here, and it comes with a little scoop. Okay? And then it comes with the little sticks to do the cotton candy. Alright, so let's open this. Take one out. What color you want, Memers? What color do you want? Choose. Which one do you want? Which one do you want? Let's do, you're dressed in pink. You want to do 2 colors? Let's try if I see it. See if Memers could do 2 colors. So let's do, you want pink? Let's do this, yeah? Red? You want this one? You want green, red, Christmas? Which one you want, baby? So let's try red, yes? Let's try a little red, look, right here. And I do this, guys. Let's see if this works. So I have a scoop, okay? We're in my kitchen right now. So touch this one, baby. You got this. Yeah. Play with that. Alright, so without further ado, let's see how this little machine works. So let's see. Let's see. It's heating up. Okay, it's doing it. Oh, that is so cool, guys. Oh my goodness, look. This is so cool. I think this is like so nice, like for kids' birthday parties, for Christmas, for the holidays, for anything you guys want. Oh my god. It's coming. never done cotton candy. This is so cool, guys. Do you see the cotton candy coming up? I've never done cotton candy, so if I'm doing it wrong, guys, sorry. So that one is, what a cotton candy, but let's make it bigger, yeah? Let's make it bigger. Let's do some green, yes? Where's the Memers? Where is it? Memer. She just take. Give me a second. I think my granddaughter took the scoop. Give me 1 second. Hey guys, I'm back. So she did take my scoop. So it was right next to her. Alright, so now I'm taking the green so I could add some color. Let's see. See how it's getting? Let's see. Let me move it. Okay. See, it's getting green. There you go. Okay, so I got the, it's not like the big machine. Mima, you putting that? It's not like the big machine. You have to like do it this way. See, it's getting bigger and bigger. Oh, Mima, look. Give me this, baby. Look, Mima, for you. Guys, so yeah, like I was saying, this is amazing, amazing, amazing for parties, Christmas, and all that stuff. Look how cute this is. This is amazing. So let's do one more. You want red, Memers? Let's do a red one. Yeah? Let's do red. And let's mix it together. Yeah. Yeah. Look. You like this? So yeah, I think this is amazing. This is good to have. I saw it yesterday at Five Below and I'm like, oh my god, I'd have to get this. And I wanted to see if it did work. And it does. I think this would be a great Christmas present, even for birthdays or anything. It's good to, you know what? Also, you could do something special with your husband for Valentine's Day. Oh, well, it's not the best, but look, me miss. Oh, Memer, you got your. Oh, hold it both hands like this. Eat it. Look at Mima. Look. So good. Eat it. Open. Open. Okay, eat it. Look. me see. Okay, open. Oh. No, you don't like it? No. Oh. You like it? Yes, that's how you eat it. Yeah. I even had got these little elf ears. They were $2. It was amazing. I saw this. I said, you know what? Let me do a little video with my granddaughter for the holidays in my kitchen. So yeah. So that is the cotton candy making machine from Five Below. It does work, guys. Amazing, 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 amazing. Now let's see. Okay, and it's not that bad to clean. Just comes off. Very nice. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. You gonna share with me, ma? Ooh. Eat your cotton candy. Guys, I love cotton candy. So let's do one more. I want to do a. Let's do a green. Use the scoop. One more time. Put that in the middle. Okay. And give it a whirl. Turn it on. It's powerful. Powerful, guys. Just so you know, guys, my video content, if you have not read, it's not just like skincare or whatever, it's DIYs. And this part of a DIY. And also, I'm going to be bringing to you guys how to do puff pastries for the holidays, great desserts for the family and for the friends. So yeah, let's see what's going on here. It's coming out. I really do enjoy this. It's so amazing. You like it? You like it, Memers? Come on, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Look, Mima. Look. Maybe look. Over there. Look it. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. La linda manita que tiene el bebé. Ready? Let's do this. It's supposed to be green. I don't know. It's a light pastel green, but I don't know, you guys are probably seeing it white. But it's from the pastel green. It's awesome. I like it though. Yeah, eat it. That's yours. That's yours, guys. So yeah, guys. This is how you do cotton candy at home. Or at least my way. So yeah, guys, a little scoop to two. This is what it gives you. He says this little thing right here. Noticed? But that's so good enough for kids. Amazing. Really good. So yeah, guys, what did you do? She has my remote. So yeah, guys. If you like this video, say hi. Say bye. Look. Show them this stuff. If you like this video content, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please subscribe, guys. Help a family out. Thank you, guys. Next time. Later. Bye. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. You must say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Look. Over there. Say bye.